Okay guys, so welcome to another part of this video, and in this one I am going to talk about fonts. So where we can find fonts for using in our design. So I am going to talk about pros and cons here. So you can come to this website fonts.google.com. These are all called Google fonts. That means these are all the free fonts available. You can use anything from here, from your any kind of personal or commercial use. You can see, you can use this font for selling a t-shirt design, you can use this for making a printing a t-shirt design. Anywhere you want to use, you can use these fonts. These are called the Google fonts, and this is completely free. And you can see there are some cool looking fonts here too. You have to just search for some font whichever you just like. You have to download that. Like this Lobster is a good font, I like this one. Let's, if I open this, this is the font options here. I can simply click on this download family. It is going to give me the download option. So this is just easy to download. Anyway, so it is already downloaded here. So this is Google font is the best way to use in your design, in your client project, in your stock market, in your print on demand. Anywhere you can simply use Google fonts and there will be no problem. And there are some other website where you can find font, and my favorite one is the font.com. But the problem is here every font is for personal use only. Like this is the portfolio for font artist. They use a font and then upload a demo version here to for us to see, and if you like that we can buy that font. But this is for personal use. So if you can use this for commercial use, like for print on demand or for stock micro stock sites, but that's not recommended. So it can cause you some trouble. And if you are going to use this for your client work, your client may ask you for a license that can bring you in some trouble. So I don't recommend this, but yet you can download fonts from this one. Thefont.com is really very good website, especially for understanding the style of font. Like you can see they made some category here. So if I click on this cartoon style, it is going to show me some style, some font that is in cartoon style. That will help me understand, okay, so these are called cartoon style fonts. There are other options like stencil army option here. If I click on that option, it is going to show me some stencil font, and I will understand, okay, so these are called the army style font. If you are going to making a design for army niche, like for veterans, you can use this army style font. So this is really important to understanding the style of fonts. Like you can simply say I'm going to use some calligraphic font. I can click on this calligraphy tool, calligraphy section here. It is going to show me some calligraphic font. So this is really important to understanding font. You can simply click on this download for downloading them, and it will download. And then another website is called 1001fonts.com. This website is really cool because you can search like anything here, and then if you are not searching, you can simply browse through their pages here. And there is one more option here. This is called the only show font that are free for commercial use. If I click on this icon here, it is going to show me only the font those are free for commercial use, and whichever font you are going to find here, you can simply use all of them to any kind of your like personal or commercial use project, and it is completely fine. If you turn that off, it will show you some personal use font. That means you need to buy this font. So this is really cool website. You can just make sure that you are not taking any kind of copyrighted font. You can just check this one, and you can use any font here. You can even send the link to your client. And then other website is called Font SQL, and there are thousands of other websites where you can download fonts. But the problem, if you are working for someone, they need the license of the font, then always I recommend to use Google fonts. And if you are going to upload your design on print on demand or microstock sites, then of course use Google font. This is, you will be 100% safe all the time. So that's it for font video guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.